What's up, guys? It's Jojo, five-figure brand owner of John Gas. Today, I'm going to go over how to make 10K with your first drop. Pull out your pen and paper and listen closely because this is going to be top 0.1% knowledge. Now let's head straight into the video. After you created your logo, mock-up, website, and brand name, you're going to want to find a manufacturer. Finding the right manufacturer can be hard because you can get scammed. Get samples that are made incorrectly, or you might not be able to find one. So there's a few ways to find one. First, you can go to Alibaba and search for manufacturers. Now another way is to find Instagram manufacturers but it's very easy to get scammed with those options. For example, I personally got scammed multiple times by manufacturers. When I first started my clothing brand and it led to my drops getting delayed and losing out on money. So what I did is I made a Discord server with a trusted manufacturer list and also wrote a script to get free samples. Once you got a manufacturer and got your samples made, you are going to promote them on Instagram and TikTok every day. The best ways to market your clothing brand are influencer marketing, organic marketing, paid ads marketing, SMS and email marketing. When you first start promoting, make sure to do organic marketing. First, to see if people like the clothes you're going to sell. If you get good feedback on them, contact a trusted influencer. Send them your clothes and have them promote it. Now, I want to make it clear that influencer marketing isn't mandatory, but is recommended. Now, for SMS marketing, you are going to keep your website closed with a password page and add your SMS link there. This is going to cause people who want to shop no choice but to sign up and wait until your website is unlocked. Another way that I highly suggest is to post your sign-up link on your story daily. Also, you are going to want at least 1,000 subscribers before you drop. Now, for paid ads, I highly suggest Meta ads, but before you start getting all happy and run ads, you must have a good product. If you don't have a good product, you will just burn money, and the goal is to make money, not burn it. Now, the sauce I'm going to give you is what the top 1% clothing brand owners know, so make sure you have your pen ready to write this down. What you are going to do when running ads is make sure you have a target audience. If you don't have a target audience, then it will be hard to sell. So remember, it's very important that you narrow down your audience. Once you know your target audience, you are going to make content specifically for them. This is going to cause your target audience to build the emotion to your brand, and that will lead them to make a purchase since people buy out of emotions. Once you get people to buy from your ad, Meta AI is going to know exactly who to push the ad to, and that will just make you print money. Now, at some point, the ad will stop performing well and will cause you to not convert sales as much. So the way we prevent this from happening is make 5 to 10 creatives per week and test them. At least one of those creatives will be a winner, and now you have 2 ads printing money. I made over $12,000 with this strategy, so I know that this will definitely work for you. Another way to run ads is IG Boost. Instagram Boost allows you to promote a post to a larger, targeted audience by paying to increase its visibility and engagement, helping it reach users beyond your followers. If you want the settings for IG Boost, I have them for free in our Discord, which is in the description. That is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys learned something new today. Subscribe and join our Discord in the description to connect with clothing brand owners and get more free game. We will be posting once every week with new free game.